Emerald City Comic-Con is complete, and as you can see, the things that are sitting in front of me are the things I bought while I was there. We have two mystery boxes, one Comic-Con related, the other one House Stark related. Over here we have a Funko Pop I bought, the Night King riding his dead dragon. Get up pretty close. It glows in the dark. It's pretty freaking cool. Right here we have two games that I bought. This one's called Red Flags. It's a game of terrible dates. Basically, you pick a bunch of cards and you argue about which date would be worse, is how I was getting from when they were explaining it. And this one is called Super Fight. This is basically a game of absurd arguments, like who would win, 100 Iron Mans who are all pirates, or one Darth Vader who's 3 stories tall, something like that. I have yet to open them up and play it for real, but when they were playing the games outside of the booth, it looked really, really cool, so I bought them both. Now to the big things right now. We're moving on to the two mystery boxes. Like I said, one is House Stark related, Game of Thrones. The other one is just Comic-Con related. I didn't know which one to start with first, but something's telling me to start with this one first, so this is what we're going to start with. Let's open this thing up. Alright, here we go. We'll look at this last just in case. Alright, the first thing is a Domo Nerd plush. I don't know what this is.
I know.
I kind of like it. My wife knows. I kind of like it. The next thing we got is a lanyard from Doctor Who. I've never watched Doctor Who. Don't kill me for it. A lot of people love it though. I've never watched it. Let's open this one up. Boom. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Now moving on to a Sherlock Holmes iPhone 5 or 5S case. Me and my wife both have the iPhone 7. It's a cool case. We can't do anything with it. Now we have a Minecraft book almost. It is the updated edition, the Essential Handbook, right here for Minecraft. That's what it looks like on the inside. Pretty cool, pretty cool. I'll go through that one more. We have a Doctor Who wallet. Again, never seen Doctor Who. But this Emerald City Comic-Con was huge on Doctor Who. They had two big people from Doctor Who there. I can't open the package. I'm not about to fight it right now. So, boom. Doctor Who wallet. And we have a dragon. These are kind of cool. Dragon Ball Z shot glasses. Let's open these ones up and see it. Boom. Here's what they look like. Focus. Boom. And boom. Pretty cool. Pretty freaking cool. I like them. It's probably the coolest thing so far in this one. Now, for the last thing in this box, we are looking at a Transformers something. An action vinyl of Transformers. A talking Optimus Prime. It still has the price tag in it. So this one would have been $13 if I would have bought it separately. Oh, something fell out of it. Here is our... This is not Optimus Prime. This is definitely Sideswipe. Whatever. Either way, this is Sideswipe. Still pretty cool. It has his guns and stuff in here. I'm not going to open it, but pretty cool. Join their mystery fan group on Facebook. 10% off. That's the first box. It's not too bad. Now moving on to House Stark, the Game of Thrones mystery box. I'm more excited for this one. I love Game of Thrones. I think it's the best TV show ever created. So let's do this one. Boom. Starting off with what looks to be one of the direwolves. That's pretty cool. I don't know which one. Forgive me. Maybe Nymeria. It's definitely not Ghost. It's really cool though. I actually like it. This is pretty cool. I think it's Nymeria. I think. Moving on. To, what is this? Oh, another wallet. We get another wallet. A Game of Thrones. Winter is Coming. House Stark wallet. This one's kind of cool. I might use it once or twice. Alright, we got a hat. A House Stark Game of Thrones hat. And on the back it says, you win or you die. It's actually pretty cool. Game of Thrones. It has like a little map on the bottom of it. Really cool, really cool. Alright. We have, okay, a button you can wear on with the House Stark Direwolf sigil. Let's see. Let's open this one. Boom. Focus. There you go. Pretty cool. Pretty freaking cool. I like it. Alright, moving on to, what is this? What is this? It definitely can open, but I don't know how. Stand by till I figure it out. Oh, figured it out. Oh, this is cool. This is a pocket watch. A Game of Thrones House Stark pocket watch. Wait. That's pretty cool. Hopefully that focused. I wasn't paying attention. Alright, now it looks like we have two more things. We have a patch of the direwolf. Focus. Focus. Oh well. Pretty cool. I like it. And now for the final thing. This looks like, what is this, the banner? Uh-oh. Looks like we're flying the House Stark banner at our house. Wow, it's really long. Boom, the House Stark banner. I'm going to hang it in our living room. My wife's going to say no, though.
No.
She said no. The House Stark banner. That's pretty cool. Overall, I like this mystery box a lot more than the other one. Not that the other one was bad, but this one has a lot more cool stuff. It was a little bit more expensive, but I really, really like it. Emerald City Comic Con was a blast. I enjoyed every second of it. I did get some t-shirts, but they're both in my dirty clothes basket, so you'll see me wearing those on future videos. And now I have to get ready for work. So, have a great morning, day, or night, wherever in the world you are, at whatever time you're watching this. Thank you guys for watching this unboxing video of the two mystery boxes, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.